Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope all of you will be fine by grace of Allah. Students, as you know that we are in phase 4 and in phase 4 from chapter number 4 history, today we are doing factors contributing to administrative failure of the Mughals. Inefficient administrative machinery, imperfect organization of army, expansion of the empire, lack of passion for knowledge and scientific research, economic crisis, incompetent rulers, rise of the Sikhs, Marathas and Rajput, and foreign incursion. These are the factors due to which Mughal Empire disintegrated. Students, in this topic you will find some difficult words. So these are the vocabularies of some difficult words like parasitic mean relating to or characteristics of a parasite. Flatterers mean to compliment insincerely. Clones mean rude. Longevity mean duration of service. Reforms mean amendment, while hierarchy means things within a system. You have to write down meanings of these difficult words on your reading book. Occasion mean events, monarch mean ruling, corrective measures mean good actions, opportunity mean chance, crush mean pushed, incursions mean an act to open revolt against civil authority or a government. Now I will discuss different factors one by one. Here you see the image. This is the representation of inefficient administrative machinery. It means that the employees or the people who are managing or they are in administration and they are not working well. So due to those people, Mughal Empire also disintegrated. Efficient people were neglected. Neglected means they were ignored, they were rejected. And parasitic, flatterers, clone, politically immature and non-serious person joined the royal routine. Immature means they have no sense regarding to political issues and still they join the royal routine. So that was the major factor due to which Mughal Empire failed. Next factor is imperfect organization of army. Students, did you see this image? This is the representation how can army can be imperfect or the organization can have a bad effect. Next factor is expansion of the empire. In the reign of Aurangzeb Alamgir, empire was extended to the farthest point. Farthest mean at a long distance. Because of the inner weaknesses, Aurangzeb's successors could not run the state effectively. Successors mean the children, Aurangzeb's children, they were not running state effectively. So students, did you understand the reasons why the Mughal Empire disintegrated? You know that these topics are very interested, and also this is the part of your assignment, so you have to work on assignment as well and also include these points in your assignment. Lack of passion for knowledge and scientific research. Oh, what is going on this picture? Did you see? So it's mean the people have no interest in their knowledge and scientific research. They don't want to gain knowledge. They don't want to enhance their knowledge in scientific research. So students, this is all about today's lecture, and tomorrow still there are some more factors we will discuss on tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.